Alright, so this is our first step on how to make more than $300 just by watching YouTube videos. First of all, you need to go to YouTube and search for any interesting story. There are a lot of interesting stories on YouTube, so you have to search any interesting story. You just have to make sure that the video that you're choosing, it has a lot of views, because it must be interesting for the video to get a lot of views. So after choosing any video with a lot of views, and you think that is a very interesting story, you need to do the following. So on this video, I'm going to search this interesting story about Louis V, and as you can see here, there are a lot of videos about Louis V, and we're just going to choose this one with a lot of views. It has more than 6 million views, and you have to click this video, and on the top of this page you have to copy this link, as you can see right here. And after copying this link, let's go to this website, which is called YouTube Transcript. And on this website, you'll be able to convert this video into actual text. So everything that has been said on this video is going to turn into text. That's the reason we came to this website, which is called YouTube Transcript. That was step number one. So all you want to do right now, you need to paste here this link that you copied on YouTube, and in a very short time this video will be converted into article. So right now this video has been converted into article, and you have to copy this entire article. Then you have to save this somewhere. It can be Notepad or anywhere that you want to save this article. And I'm going to show you how much we're going to make, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers, they say that by watching YouTube videos and following all the steps that I'm going to do right now in this video, you can earn more than $300. So I'm going to try with you, and I will show you how much I made just after following all the steps on this video. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is David. I talk about side hustle and how to make money online. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how much we're going to make just by watching YouTube videos. I'll be very transparent with you, because I really don't have to hide anything for you to gain my trust. So you have to follow all the steps that I'm going to do, and I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the best way for you to start making money in 2024. So right now, let's get back to Notepad. This is a place that we kept our article. Then you need to copy this article, and you need to go to this website, which is called articlerewrite.com. and this website is going to help you to rewrite this article. This article has to look more original. No one has to guess that you copied this somewhere. So that's the reason you came to this website, to rewrite this article that you copied somewhere. And the good thing about this website is that it usually takes like a few seconds for you to rewrite this article. So after rewriting this article, I'm going to take you to this website, and if you join on this website, you will be in a position to start making more than $500, $300 every single time you do what I'm going to show you on this website. And this is our last step. Let's see how much we're going to make just after joining on this website and do all the things that this website wants us to do. You have to go to this website, which is called voco.media. This is our last step, and on this website you'll be paid just by posting these articles that you copied from YouTube. And all you want to do is create your account. It's very simple and very easy. Let's create our account and see how much we're just going to make. So you have to write your name, you need to write your email and password. Then you come here on the top of this page, then click create your own story. So after creating your account, after writing your email, after writing everything necessary here, you need to come on the top of this page, and you need to click right here, which is written create your own story. And this is where you're going to paste the story that you copied from YouTube, the article that you prepared all the time. This is the place that you need to paste this article, and right here you have to choose the nice photo that you have. Then you have to publish. After doing that, you can be able to start making more than $500. For you to choose a nice photo, you can search any photo on Google that is kind of related with your story that you chose from YouTube. This platform, voco.media, is trusted with millions of users, and many people are getting paid. As you can see, all the testimonies that people are getting paid. So I'm going to try this, and let's see how much this story is going to pay us. Alright, so I followed all the steps, and I was very excited to see how much I'm going to make just by publishing one story on this website, because people are saying that they get a lot of money just by watching YouTube videos. So I thought that this is going to be very easy, but I came to realize that I waited for this for more than 1 week. and I made $0. I didn't make any amount and I didn't get anyone to view my story. So I was very disappointed, and I came to realize that you need at least 1,000 people to watch your story, to read your story, for you to get $3. So it's really gonna take time. It's really gonna take time for you to build your audience, for you to at least get 1,000 views for each story that you're posting on this website. So if you are interested in writing stories, it's not much for you to get all this process from YouTube and stuff like that. You just need to understand how to write good stories and a very interesting story for you to start making money on this website. So I came to realize that a lot of YouTubers who are saying that you can make decent amount of money just by watching YouTube videos is really not working that way. So it's really not how we think that you can just get $500 just by watching a YouTube video. You can get $300 just by watching a YouTube video. It's really not working that way. And I really want to tell you that before trying this, you need to understand that it's really not about watching YouTube videos and get money right away, as people say that. You really have to work hard for you to create these amazing stories and share on this platform, and you can get paid. This platform is really paying like a decent amount of money to different people, but it can take 3 months, it can take 6 months for you to create your audience who can start reading your stories, and after that you can be able to get like at least $100 or $300 in a month. And it's really not easy for you to make $300 as a beginner on this website. So it usually takes time, and it's not easy as people are saying that you can make $300 just by watching videos on YouTube. So I encourage you, if you're going to do this, you have to know that it's really not about watching videos on YouTube, but it's about writing different stories. I was excited and I really wanted to know how you can make money just by watching YouTube videos, but I came to realize that it's really not working the way I was expecting. So I really want to thank you for watching my videos. Thanks so much.